Hi, welcome to this unboxing of the FoodSense Generation 4. But even though I'm unboxing the FoodSense Generation 4, this is really a model for us doing your analyte or your assay on this particular platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is, obviously we've got it in a sort of small box, so obviously in line with the power of electrochemistry, this is quite a small form factor. The first thing I should say is, we obviously have a nice template for a manual. I know we live in a digital world, but there's a nice manual that kind of describes where to get the app, how to turn on the machine, how to actually get it to run a particular assay. So the manual is short, but it's very clear, basically. I mean, people get hold of this manual and they immediately start. So that's a nice feature. The next thing is, obviously, you've got a little insert here. That logo, obviously, is for ZP, but you can also have that logo made for yourself. So once we do that, then now we're into the box itself. This is the SenseItAl meter, and I'll just bring it forward and I'll just move that to the side. So this is the SenseItAl meter. This is the heart of what we are doing on the thing. It's got these very nice features that allow us to just put in the sensor. For some reason, if it becomes, I don't want to say dirty, but contaminated in some way, you can click it apart. And then what else also comes in the pack is also these cartridges. Now what's useful is that these cartridges are really nice to handle because they've got their little insert, so I'm not sort of fiddling around. What's nice as well is that there's no slot on this. You actually just put the sensors here and then just click it together. So cartridges, meter, and then on the cartridges you'll notice that there's a QR code. So if we've developed a new assay that's specific to you in a new matrix, there will be a QR generated, and that will then allow the app, which is on the smartphone, which they can find by just looking in the manual, that QR code will tell this meter what to do. The last thing is for some assays there may be some buffer. So ZP is really set up for also making these kind of solutions as well, because we're both strong in, I think it's, this kind of reflects it all really. We're good in sensors, we're good in electronics, we're good in the instructions, and we're also good in the liquid formulation as well. And so I think all of that sort of describes that this really is a template for very quickly turning ideas into minimally viable prototypes. So thank you very much.